CAAM tells a story, and to believe that I have a story to tell that aligns with their mission means absolutely a lot to me. I wrote this memoir because I wanted to tell my story, but not just my story, it's our story. It's a story of Black people growing up in America. I wanted to connect with people who are going through similar struggles as I did and be an inspiration. I also wanted to educate people around the stereotypes with underserved and marginalized communities and institutions like prison. I think the importance of an institution like CAAM, for one, it's one of the earliest institutions that's been here, that's been celebrating Black culture, Black art, and Black people. It's a place that gives exposure, opportunity, and tells African American stories.